Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix WhatsApp microphone if it's not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix WhatsApp microphone is not working. And when we are trying to give any kind of things to your personal accounts, when you're trying to send a voice, you get this kind of a message, and how we can fix it, right? So let's get started. The first one is all about, you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the screen time. From here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the content and privacy restrictions. From here you have to scroll it down and tap on the microphone. Now it says don't allow, that is the reason. So change this to allow changes and give your screen time passcode here. And now it's changed it into allow. Now you just need to go back. And what you need to do is you just need to go back. Now from here you have to tap on the privacy and security. From here you have to scroll it down. And what you need to do is from here you have to tap on the microphone. Now from here you can see the WhatsApp, the access to the microphone is actually disabled. That is the reason. So what you need to do is you have to turn on this. And now once you turn on this, you just need to go back to the WhatsApp, and when you try to chat with anyone, if you wanted to give any kind of voice message, if you try to do like this, right now as you can see, they're able to listen to this, right? So you can just send them and they'll be able to get it. So this is how we can do it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.